You want to manage leave requests on a daily basis? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to automate leave management requests. Now imagine you get leave requests on a daily basis from your employee. Storing each and every request and replying to them will be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. Now as soon as an employee sent a message, it is automatically going to be replied and store their data. If you want to know how to make this automation for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Hello and welcome to my screen. As I have told you, we are going to learn how to make automated WhatsApp chatbot for leave management requests. Now, this chatbot going to collect all the details from your employees and store all of these data. As you can see over here, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to know how this chatbot is going to work in real time, for that I need to open WhatsApp web. And here I'm going to type a key message, for example, time off. Now as soon as I have entered my initial message, they have replied me with a message which says, "Hi, let's submit your leave request. Please select the leave type." I'm going to select casual leave. Now as soon as I have selected my leave type, they want few details like starting date. After starting date, they want to know end date. Now after that, they want to know the reason for the leave. As soon as I have mentioned every single detail, they have provided me a message which says, "Your leave request from 3rd August to 7th August for a family function has been submitted. You will receive approval." Not only that, all of these details are automatically going to be stored on my Google Sheet as well, like this, with the start date, end date and the reason. Now if you want to make this chatbot for yourself, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp by automate marketing, sales and customer support. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Not only that, you can share your ideas over here. Even you can ask questions, discover latest feature for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now let's move to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow to make my chatbot. As soon as I have selected Pabbly Chatflow, I will be redirected to the dashboard page where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given over here. Inside this, there are two features, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to know how to add WhatsApp number in detail, we have provided a detailed video in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Not only that, we have different features like Inbox, Contact, Team Queue, Template, Broadcast, Flow, AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you also want to know any of these features in detail, we have provided a detailed video of these features as well in the description box. You can check that out. As we are making Chatflow for today, I'm going to click on Chatflow feature and I will be redirected to the Chatflow builder page. Here you can click on Add Flow button to create a new flow. And now you will be landed on this page. Over here, you need to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this workflow for leave management request, I will name it accordingly as automated leave management request. Now, after providing a meaningful name, you can see a window is open named by trigger. Inside this window, there are 3 features: event, keywords and regex. Let's see each feature individually. Trigger event is a drop-down option where you can select different type of trigger to start or initiate your conversation. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Below that, we have regex. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. For today, I'm going to use keywords. And to add a keyword, you need to enter the text and press the enter key. Similarly, you can add as many keywords as per your requirement like leave request, apply leave, time off, etc. Now as soon as my employee enter their message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I am going to drag and drop text plus button and connect my text plus button with my trigger window. Over here, I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that, hi, let's submit your leave request. Please select your leave type. And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I am going to click on add button option and enter my text like this, where I have entered that sick leave, casual leave and work from home. Now for each application, I'm going to ask few questions. For that, I am going to drag and drop ask question box from the action section and connect all of my 3 action button with this ask question box like this, as you can see over here. Now over here, I'm going to ask about please enter your start date, where I have mentioned the format in which they have to enter their start date, and below that I'm going to select my contact custom field. Now to add contact custom field, you need to come with me to the settings section, and over here a feature is given named by contact custom field. I'm going to open this feature in a new tab, and from here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. To add a new contact custom field, you need to click on add more field and enter your field. And as soon as you have entered your field, you need to click on save button to save your contact custom field. And as you can see, I got a message that contact custom field saved successfully. That means now my contact custom field is ready to select it in my Chatflow. Over here, I'm going to select my contact custom field as start date and my format as date as well. After that, I'm going to ask another question, which is going to be the end date. For that, I have dragged and drop ask question and connect this question with my previous step. And here I'm going to enter my message. Please enter your end date. And after that, I will select my contact custom field as end date and format as date as well. Now after dates, I want to know the reason. For that, again, I have dragged and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please provide a short reason for your leave. Below that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as reason for your leave and format as text. After this, I want to store all of these details to my Google Sheet. For that, I am going to drag and drop API request, and here I'm going to connect API request with my previous question. Under this, I'm going to paste my webhook URL. Now to get webhook URL, you need to open all Pabbly app page, and over here, you need to select Pabbly Connect. And as soon as you're going to select Pabbly Connect, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can create and manage all your automation workflow from one place with the help of Pabbly Connect dashboard page. And to create workflow, you need to click on create workflow button, which is given over here to start building your automation. After that, you need to select your workflow builder, where you have two options, new beta builder and classic, where new beta builder is faster, modern and more flexible, and classic is stable with familiar approach. I'm going to select new beta builder for today. And after that, you need to provide a meaningful name, where I have named my workflow as automated leave management request, and below that I'm going to select my folder in which my workflow is going to be stored. Now after naming my workflow and selecting the folder, I will click on create button to create my workflow. Here you need to set your workflow by adding trigger and action, where trigger is the initial step that starts the automation and action is the task that is performed after the trigger. To start my automation, I'm going to click on add trigger and choose my app. As we are working on Pabbly Chatflow, I will choose my app as Pabbly Chatflow, and below that I am going to select my app event as new message received. Now after that, we are going to connect our trigger setup. To connect my trigger setup, I need to copy this webhook URL, and after that I will paste this webhook URL on my API request. Beside that, I am going to select my API request as post, and after that I will enter key and select contact custom field that I want to fill on my Google Sheet. Like this, where I have mentioned that start date, end date and reason for your leave application. After that, I am going to click on test and save the API request. And as you can see, I got a message that says API request successful. That means there is no error. Now, as we are done with our trigger setup, let's add the action step. To add action step, I need to click on add option, and after that I will choose my app as Google Sheet, as I want to fill my data on Google Sheet. After that, I will select my app event as new row and connect or update my action setup. To update my Google Sheet connection, I have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection, you can select the existing connection. For today, I'm going to add a new connection and sign in with Google. Over here, I'm going to provide the access of my Google account. And here you can see my connection is successfully created. After that, we need to select the spreadsheet in which we are going to fill our data. As I am going to fill my data on automated leave management request, I will select my spreadsheet accordingly. And below that, you need to map your data from previous step. This is going to help to update your data as soon as a new value is received on WhatsApp chatbot. Here, I'm going to select my start date and map my data accordingly. After that, I'm going to map end date. And lastly, I'm going to map reason for your leave. As soon as all the data is mapped over here, I will click on save and send the test request to save my value and receive my response. And here you can see I have received my response. Now, as we are done with our API request, I will send a message in which I will mention that your leave has been collected and you will receive approval soon. Like this, where I have mentioned that your leave request from starting date to end date for specific reason has been submitted. You will receive approval notification soon. And here I have mentioned $sign with contact custom field of starting date, end date and reason for your leave. This $sign is going to make sure that your message is delivered with customized data that your sender has submitted in a specific contact custom field. And with that, I am done setting up my WhatsApp chatbot for automated leave management request. On to my last step, don't forget to activate your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. Also, now you can share your flow layout with your customer by clicking on this three dot and selecting share flow feature. From here, you can share the link of your flow and the layout will be shared. But remember that contact custom field, tag, catalog, template will not be shared as it is mentioned over here. For that, you need to create their element separately and the template must be approved by Meta. If you like this video or have any doubt, you can tell us in the comment section below. Not only this, you can create many more Chatflow using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free Chatflow using Pabbly Chatflow. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.